Jason Bramlett. Thanks for tuning into this week's video blog. So a question I get emailed a lot. Jason, what should I do to get my home ready before you guys come over and look at it? And my answer is easy. Nothing. Because you may be doing all the wrong things. And I have seen this time and time again over the years. 17 years in this business, I have seen a lot of mistakes. And one thing is people that jump in there and start updating and fixing the things that they believe that the market is ready for, but yet a lot of times it's not what the market wants at all. Or you're spending money in the wrong places. You're spending money in doing things that, just they make sense to you, I guess I should say, but there's bigger issues. And so just to touch up paint on a wall and do this and that is one thing, but a lot of times we find there's some major problems with your houses. Like, when's the last time you've been in your crawl space? And we have found where folks have spent money, putting in granite countertops, redoing the paint, and doing all these different things in the house, updating the fixtures. And then we come over and look at the house and find out they got $5,000 worth of foundation and crawl space problems, and they have no money left. So now they got this good-looking house, but now they really got a health issue or health problem potentially with their house, with mold and all those other things. And so they got to get that taken care of. It becomes a priority. So there's lots of things you can do to get your home ready, but doing the right things first that may be protecting your investment, but also maybe protecting your family. So this is part of our two-step process. First step is we're going to meet you here at the office, come up with a game plan, understand more about your situation and why you are wanting to sell. But secondly, we'll come out to the property, do an evaluation, inspect the property, and really dig in and look at everything. We really do a top to bottom inspection of the property. And then we come up with a game plan based on that inspection, what needs to take place and what needs to happen. So just to shine the house up, well, it's a good thing, but if you got bigger problems, it's better to address those first. So there's lots of steps to getting the home prepared, but we would prefer you do nothing and then let us coach you through it. We know what buyers are looking for. We've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them reaching out to us every month. My inside sales team knows exactly what folks are looking for. They pass that along to the listing department, and we've got a good handle on what people want in this marketplace. That's not a problem. But making sure we're putting the money or the time in the right place is saving you money and time and headache as well. You can get more information about selling your home at jasonbramlett.com. You can click on some of the links. Listen to our video testimonials right here on the blog. Lots of satisfied past clients. And, of course, we'd like you to be one of those and our next satisfied client. So you can reach out to us at the office 553-0796 or jasonbramlett.com. Make it a fantastic week.